Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class we saw the batch programming introduction part, how to insert the record, how to update the record and delete the record at the once you write the query. Today I am going to make the simple sewing application in to do the task, right? Very simple. So I already here this one should be the I already designed the design I already made. It take too much of time to make the design if I starting from the beginning, so that I have designing here this simple design. This one product ID, product name, price and quantity. Here this all the text fields I have make the name. Here this one txt PID, txt P name is a product name, price. Each text box field I have changed the name as well. First what I did here is first user come and enter the product ID here, right? What is the product ID they need? They enter the product ID here. It's a product ID available. It's a product table. There are two products I have here listed, pencil, and here just change the product quantity as 100, right? Then easy to identify. Here pencil ID 1 means it is relevant to pencil, price 20, quantity 100, right? Same as a pen, right? So if I enter the ID 1, relevant product details should be displayed, right? It's very simple. If I change that to pen, if it 3, there will be no there, it will be blank, right? It's very simple to set the records, right? 2, 1, right? Now here what I am going to do is, here I am going to quantity I am going to enter the purchase. Yeah, sorry, we have to sell pencil 20 pencil I am going to sell. Click save. Now here you go and check what happened into the database table. Products here, pencil should be 80 now because I have sold 20, right? Sales part you can check here. This is a pencil. This one should be pencil. Price should be 20. Here sell 20 pencils, right? This is a old records. I have to remove it, right? We have to all record. Here 20. Right? Now I am going to do the another thing is I am going to sell the another thing is this one, pen. So here let to go here 2, so pen 10 I am going to sell. Click here, you will be able to see the sales. So pen 10, quantity 10 we have sell. Here we have to sales 90 will be reduced, 10 will be reduced. Now the quantity should be made as 90, right? A very simple program. How to do the program step by step, right? So let's design this one. So we have to change, after design this one, change the text field names, txt ID, txt name and everything. I have put this panel, right? This all stuff how to design the form I have explained lot, right? I no need to explain again by again. After that you have to add the libraries, MySQL libraries to connect with the MySQL database, right? We have 2 tables, right? Product table, these are the columns, ID, P name, price and quantity. After that, if you look at the table of sales, we have a field of ID, P name, price and quantity, right? The same fields available, right? So this is a product table, this is a sales table. Once you solve the product table, this quantity should reduce, right? Okay, that's the stuff we have to do, right? So let's look at the first look at the code. Select the text field, right? Here when you enter the product ID, relevant product details should be displayed below the text box, product name, price and quantity. How I achieve this? Right click, select the text field, right click, event key, we have to select the event as key released, right? This is not a key pressed I have, we have solved our previous point of sale system also key pressed. Instead of key press, we have make it as a key release. It is easy to when you enter the key, detail should be automatically displayed, right? So that's why I put it as a key release. If you click this one, it is also key release event. Key release event, I have wrote a simple code this one, right? It's very simple code. First what I did here is string p code. I have made the variable p code. What is a PID you are entered here? This is a number, right? PID, right? So get text. Get text, it is assigned with the variable, this variable. So here we have to check prepare statement. We have to create the prepare statement object above, right? We have to create the connection object, prepare statement objects, right? This was no needed. Prepare statement object, RS object, right? After that we have to make the database connection here. This all the stuff I was taught in my previous tutorial, how to make the database MySQL connection. This is the driver we are registered the MySQL, right? This is the your database reside on the localhost, which name is VM products, right? This is VM products. This is your database name, right? Right. Now after that we have to call this method. When the form is loaded, the constructor gets loaded. This is the constructor class, right? VM product, the constructor of the class. We have to call them here. After that, what I did here is this code we no needed, right? After that, what I did here is we have after load this one here. When you enter the relevant product details on the text field here. Let's go here. We have to check prepare statement. Select p name price from product table. This product table. P name products. Okay. What is the ID you are entered on the text box? What is the ID you are entered on? If you are entered the 1, it produces the relevant product details, right? What is the ID you are entered? If it is 1, it produces the relevant product details. We have to load the rs pst execute query. If the detail is available, if rs next equal true mean if the detail is available, it is true, so it is produce the output. Get string 1 mean this one 1, price be 2. These two things loaded and put into this variable. We have to set into the relevant text fields. This txt p name mean this text field, txt price mean this text field. You have to set it here, these two fields to here. Okay. If you enter the wrong one, the text box should be clear. It will be clear, right? That's the thing we have to achieve this. Very simple one. You have to make this one. Okay. This is all the code I have provided in my website. You will be able to download it. After that, what I did here is this one, save, right? So double click on this one, save button. First, I have to put it to here set auto commit false, right? Here we have to make the transaction here. So here we have to auto commit false, right? Here what is the thing here I am going to did here is if both query work successfully only, the transaction successful, right? Otherwise it is rollback, right? So here first I have to all the text fields, these 4 text fields I have set into the relevant variable p code, p name, price and quantity. After that I have to make the different 2 queries, right? We have to make the statement object st1. We have to establish a connection to them. After that we have to make 2 different SQL queries, right? First variable I have created the string SQL1. This is the first query I have to insert into which table I am going to insert the record? Sales table. It consists of 3 columns: p name, price and quantity. Values. What is the value you are going to insert? P name you have entered. Price. After that quantity. This what is the price you are getting here? All the stuff it is going to store here. This variable you have to put it here. How to put it here? Single quotation, double quotation, 2 plus sign. You have to the double quotation, single, you have to close them. After that put into this variable, right? This is the thing we have to insert, right? Very simple. After that we have to add the badge here, right? Sorry, you have to add the badges here. This is not this one. You have to close it, right? Okay. Right. Our second SQL query we have to write here is update product. So product table you have to update the record. Sales table we have to insert the record. The sales table we have to insert the record. Product table we have to update the record, right? We have to update the record, right? Okay. So update product, set quantity. This quantity column you have to update equal quantity, the same quantity column minus what is the quantity you are entered here. It should be minus it here, right? Where the product ID, what is the product ID you are entered on the text box? The particular product detail should be here. We have minus, right? That's the thing we have to do. After that we have to set those 2 SQL1 and SQL2 2 variables into the badge, right? This statement add badge we have to set into the badge. After that we have to loop it in status. We have to get a status equal st the badge. In this time we have to execute badge. We have to execute the badge. We have to loop it, right? For loop, initial value is 0, I. We have to get the variable I. Status means the status. These 2 queries we have to loop it, right? Length I plus plus, right? F2 queries are here loop and execute, right? Okay, so here if it is come 1 1 1, it is both queries working. Okay, so here let's check the with console if it is working or not. Right click, is a console, right? Now here enter the 1. Here we have to buy 20 pencil. I have to sell, right? Click save button. Here 1 1 1, both queries should be work. Okay, this one 1, this one 1. Okay, so let's go and here check product. Here it's 20 will be the updated. Sales here we have to done. Okay, this all stuff will be making perfectly well. Very simple code. This is the batch process work. I have this code I have attached in my twittersfunny.com. You will be able to download and you can work. First you have to understand the process of batch. Okay, when you are writing the more than one query, you have to put into the batch. Okay, this is very safe. If you write the query, it's a very essential stuff. When you are going to the interview, if you show these codes professionally, they should give the job, right? This person can handle any software because they work with the badge and everything, right? This badge is very essential stuff, right? Thank you for watching. Here this all the queries are working. This is transaction commit. Connection commit means transaction commit, it's work, right? Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.